Welcome to my in-depth and honest Supreme Paydays review. In this Supreme Paydays review, I will discuss what Supreme Paydays is, how Supreme Paydays works, its demo, features, pricing, upgrades, everything. And I will also give my special bonuses worth over $30,000. So, keep on watching. So, what is Supreme Paydays all about? Supreme Paydays is the ultimate push button solution that will show you how you can easily build an autopilot online commission machine with their copy and paste system without any experience, technical skills or hard work. I just wanted to give you a quick heads up about a great new push button solution called Supreme Paydays that is going to live today at 9 EDT. In Supreme Paydays, you will see how you can easily build an autopilot online commission machine with this lazy copy and paste system. This lazy copy and paste system makes $227 per day in less than 60 minutes. So, why are you waiting for? So grab Supreme Paydays now with discount and you will also get my exclusive bonuses worth over $30,000. I have put the link in my description. If you get the Supreme Paydays through my link, you will get that bonuses worth over $30,000. Here is my exclusive bonuses worth over $30,000. See, you will get YouTube Velocity. YouTube Velocity is a software and with this software you can unlock and set and forget free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube in just 15 minutes. You will also get MIF. MIF puts the wind at our campaign bag, glides it over 3 gigantic platforms. It is a virtual traffic on tap at your fingertips, and we are going to show you how to turn this traffic into cold hard commission. MIF is actually a discovery at course plus bonus page generator software. Another one is Jenna. Jenna is a software for free buyer traffic in your chosen niche on autopilot. Includes high converting done for you campaigns to promote and monetize the free flowing traffic. This is a complete plug and play push button solution. Another one is Genobia. Genobia solves the 2 biggest challenges that all newbies face. Number 1 is how to get buyer traffic and another one is how to turn it into daily commission with the hottest selling offer in 2021. You will also get Cleopatra. Cleopatra is a traffic software to online gold, uncovering buyers where no one else is looking. You can also unlock proven buyer traffic where no one else is looking for it. Cleopatra automates this profit strategy on LinkedIn. Another one is Golden Stats. Golden Stats is a unique method to turn $10 into $215 over and over again, flipping domains. You will also get Tweetex. Tweetex is a software automates traffic on Twitter plus bonus page generator software. You will also get affiliate marketing from all social media sites with Linktree. Another one is Forget About Broke. Forget About Broke is an incredibly unique strategy invented by Johnny Rose that gets newbies sales consistently in their spare time without any experiences or technical skills. Another one is Nova. Nova is a Chrome extension which allows users to follow targeted audiences on TikTok, and it also done for you offers on the front end along with step-by-step training. You will also get Lazy Traffic Snipper, List Lariat, Aerial Association, Midas Touch, Traffic Underdog and lots more. See 6-figure secrets, traffic booster and affiliate takeoff and lots more. You can check. I have put the special link in my description below and also in my pinned comment. You can check it out. Now I will discuss about the overview of Supreme Paydays. See, the creator of Supreme Paydays is John Newman and the launch date is 27th August The front end price is $13 and you will get huge bonuses worth over $30,000. This software is perfect for both newbies and beginners, experts, and they will offer a 365-day money back guarantee. This is a making money suit, and my personal recommendation about this product is 9.7 out of 10, and this is highly recommended. Now I will discuss about the features of Supreme Paydays. Let's see. Unlock Autopilot Supreme Payday A to Z system. This is 100% beginner friendly. You can just copy and paste their system. Simple setup. Click one button to one link to multiple done for you offer. You will see fast results. And push button, simple, everything you need to succeed is included and proven with real world case studies and 365-day money back guarantee. Now what are the working steps of Supreme Paydays? Now I will discuss about it. You are just 3 steps away from living your dream life. The Supreme Paydays only works 3 simple steps. Step number 1 is grab your copy of Supreme Paydays now before the price increases. And step number 2 is copy and paste their simple step-by-step setup. And step 3 is click one button for instant traffic, then sit back and relax while your account gets filled. Now the big question is what you will get inside the Supreme Paydays when you purchase it. Now I will show you what you are getting inside the Supreme Paydays. You will get Autopilot Supreme Paydays A to Z system. Over the shoulder step-by-step video show you exactly how to easily set up your payday system fast, and this is totally beginner friendly. Just copy and paste and what you see on screen and you are all set. Supreme Traffic Blueprint. We all know that traffic is the lifeblood of any business, but is what most newbies struggle with. But tap into their evergreen traffic sources for instant traffic on demand. Then just click one button for instant results. Done for you offers. No need to reinvent the wheel, just use what already works. They show you the best offers proven to convert and even give you done for you offers ready to profit from day one. A real world case study. Their real world case study shows the power of Supreme Paydays in action. They give you every detail so you can duplicate their result. Just copy what they show you step by step. Another one is set and forget automations. Uncover their time-saving automation to skyrocket your results. That one setup runs 24/7 on autopilot. Another one is tools, resources and insider extras. Save boatloads of time and money while skyrocketing your results. See which tools get you the best results, resources to scale fast, and insider extras that most marketers won't show you. And now I will show you why you need to get your hands on Supreme Paydays right now. Supreme Paydays is the ultimate push button solution that will show you how you can easily build an autopilot online commission machine with their copy and paste system without any experience, without any technical skills and without any hard work. This is 100% proven beginner friendly system and step by step easy to follow video tutorials, real world case studies backed by result, and push button simple. Everything you need to succeed is included, and click one button to one click to multiple done for you offers. Now Supreme Paydays demo preview. I have put the demo video link in my description. You can check it out. Now I will discuss about the autos and funnel background of Supreme Paydays. The front end one of Supreme Paydays worth is $12.95. In this front end one, see, click one button to one link. Supreme Paydays is the ultimate push button solution that will show your customers how they can easily build an autopilot online commission machine with their lazy copy and paste system. Upgrade 1 is Supreme Paradise Pro. This is worth of $27 and the downsell price is $17. In upgrade 1, you will get advanced strategies to make even more money with no extra effort. Upgrade 2 is Supreme Payday Done For You 365. This is worth of $37 and the downsell price is $27. In upgrade 2, you will get Done For You campaign, so you don't have to do any of the work, just copy and paste and make money. Done For You bonus pages every week for 365 days plus one-time funnel and email swell, and you will require commissions Gorilla for bonus pages and ClickFunnels for the funnel. And see, upgrade 3 is still our traffic. This is worth of $197 and the downsell price is $97. In upgrade 3, you have to put your pixel on their sales pages for the next 12 months and build up a huge audience to proven buyers. And upgrade 4 is Supreme Paradise Quadruple Reseller Rights. This is worth of $37 and the downsell price is $27. And in upgrade 4, you will get sell Supreme Paradise as your own product and keep 100% of the commissions across the entire funnel, as well as John's previous product Profit Force, YouTube Velocity and Buyer List Bonanza. Comes with guaranteed approval to promote, ideal for newbies. Upgrade 5 is Launch Accelerate. This is worth of $1,497 and this is strictly limited to 5 people only. And in this upgrade, you will able to launch a product with them, and launching your own product is the quickest way to get a buyer list, and they do all the work for you, pay for professional sales, copy and design, and you collect 100% of the buyer leads and 10% of the profit. Now it's time for my final verdict about Supreme Paradise. You are going to see the simplest and best proven way to start an online business right now, and how you can start making $1,000 per week. With Supreme Paradise, you can finally break free of buying this useless shiny object. You have seen the results that beta testers have been getting with this system. Isn't it your time to shine? So, seriously, this is an push button as you will ever get in this industry. Not only is this super simple, it's proven and ever going to work now and into the future. So go on, and I highly recommend it for both newbies and experts. So grab Supreme Paradise now with discount and also get my exclusive bonuses worth over $30,000. I have put my special link in my description below and also in my pinned comment. Just check it out, and thanks again for checking my Supreme Paradise review. Wishing you a very healthy and wealthy life.